Many people in Kenya dream of owning a business that can provide daily income and eventually grow into a large enterprise. One business that has continued to attract many entrepreneurs is the car wash business. As the number of vehicles on Kenyan roads continues to increase every year, the demand for cleaning and detailing services also continues to rise. From small towns to major cities, vehicle owners are always looking for reliable places where they can have their cars cleaned quickly and professionally. Starting a car wash business does not require millions of shillings. In fact, with proper planning and commitment, it is possible to start with relatively low capital and expand gradually. Many successful car wash owners in Kenya began with simple equipment and a small rented space before growing into fully established businesses. What matters most is choosing the right location, offering quality service, and maintaining consistency. A car wash business is attractive because it generates cash daily. Unlike businesses that sell goods on credit, most car wash customers pay immediately after receiving services. This means that the owner can easily monitor income and manage expenses. In addition, the business can operate throughout the year, especially in busy urban centers where vehicles require regular cleaning regardless of the season. Before starting a car wash business, it is important to understand the market. Take time to observe your area and determine whether there is sufficient demand. Look at the number of vehicles passing by every day. Visit existing car washes and study how they operate. Observe their pricing, customer service, strengths and weaknesses. Such information will help you identify opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Location is one of the most important factors in determining whether a car wash business succeeds or fails. A good location should be easily accessible, visible, and convenient for motorists. Areas near residential estates, shopping centers, petrol stations, office complexes, and busy roads usually perform well. Locations near garages and spare parts shops can also attract many customers because vehicle owners often prefer receiving several services in one place. When choosing a location, ensure that there is a reliable water supply. Water is the lifeblood of any car wash business. Without adequate water, operations can be disrupted, leading to customer dissatisfaction. If piped water is unreliable, investing in water storage tanks can help maintain continuous operations. A location should also have proper drainage systems to prevent flooding and environmental pollution. The amount of capital required to start a car wash business depends on the size and type of operation you intend to establish. A basic manual car wash can be started with between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 100,000 Kenya shillings. This amount can cover rent, equipment, cleaning materials, licenses, and initial working capital. For entrepreneurs seeking a more professional setup with modern equipment such as pressure washers and vacuum cleaners, startup costs may range between 150,000 Kenya shillings and 350,000 Kenya shillings. Although this may seem expensive, investing in quality equipment can improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and attract more customers. One of the first expenses you will incur is securing business premises. Depending on the location, monthly rent may range from 10,000 Kenya shillings to 30,000 Kenya shillings or more. Landlords usually require a deposit equivalent to 1 or 2 months' rent. Therefore, entrepreneurs should budget carefully before signing tenancy agreements. Equipment is another major investment. A pressure washer is highly recommended because it speeds up cleaning and produces better results compared to manual washing alone. Good quality pressure washers may cost between 25,000 Kenya shillings and 60,000 Kenya shillings. While cheaper alternatives exist, purchasing durable equipment can reduce maintenance costs in the long run. A wet and dry vacuum cleaner is equally important because many customers expect both interior and exterior cleaning services. Vacuum cleaners typically cost between 15,000 Kenya shillings and 35,000 Kenya shillings, depending on their capacity and brand. Offering interior cleaning services can significantly increase revenue because customers are often willing to pay more for complete cleaning packages. Other essential equipment includes buckets, brushes, microfiber towels, hose pipes, foam applicators, detergents, tire polish, dashboard polish, glass cleaners, and protective clothing for workers. Entrepreneurs should also invest in a water storage tank, especially in areas where water shortages are common. A 1,000-liter water tank may cost between 8,000 Kenya shillings and 15,000 Kenya shillings. Legal compliance is essential when operating a car wash business in Kenya. Entrepreneurs should register their businesses through the government registration system. Business registration enhances credibility and makes it easier to access financing opportunities in the future. Depending on your preferred structure, you may register as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited company. County governments require businesses to obtain single business permits before commencing operations. Permit fees vary from one county to another and may range from 5,000 Kenya shillings to 15,000 Kenya shillings annually for small car wash businesses. Failure to obtain the necessary licenses may result in penalties, fines, or business closure. Public health inspections are also common. Health officers may inspect your premises to ensure that hygiene standards are maintained. Fire safety requirements may apply depending on the size and location of the business. It is advisable to consult your county government offices regarding all necessary approvals before commencing operations. Environmental management is becoming increasingly important in Kenya. Car wash businesses generate wastewater containing detergents, oils, and dirt. Improper disposal can lead to environmental pollution. Entrepreneurs should therefore establish proper drainage systems and comply with environmental regulations where applicable. Responsible waste management not only protects the environment, but also enhances the reputation of the business. After establishing the business, attention should shift towards service quality. Customers appreciate thorough cleaning, timely service, and professionalism. Vehicles should be handled carefully to avoid damage. Employees should be trained on proper washing techniques and customer relations. A single dissatisfied customer can discourage many potential customers through negative word of mouth. Many entrepreneurs begin with 1 or 2 employees. Wages vary depending on experience, location, and responsibilities. Some car wash owners pay employees monthly salaries, while others use commission-based arrangements. Regardless of the payment method, employees should be motivated and supervised to maintain high standards. Customer service can make a huge difference in the success of a car wash business. Greeting customers warmly, listening to their preferences, and delivering services as promised encourages repeat business. Customers appreciate honesty, especially when handling valuable vehicles. Building trust often results in loyal customers who return regularly and refer others. Pricing is another critical aspect of running a successful car wash business. Charges should reflect the quality of service, operating costs, and prevailing market rates. In many parts of Kenya, cleaning a saloon car may cost between 300 Kenya shillings and 500 Kenya shillings for exterior washing. Full interior and exterior cleaning may cost between 500 Kenya shillings and 1,000 Kenya shillings. Sport utility vehicles, vans, and pickup trucks generally attract higher charges because they require more time and resources to clean. Additional services such as engine cleaning, waxing, polishing, and detailing can generate extra income. Full detailing services may attract several thousand Kenya shillings per vehicle, depending on complexity. Entrepreneurs should continuously look for ways to increase revenue. Offering value-added services can significantly improve profitability. For example, selling air fresheners, car perfumes, wiper blades, and other vehicle accessories can create additional income streams. Mobile car wash services are also becoming popular, particularly in urban areas where customers prefer convenience. Corporate clients present another excellent opportunity. Many companies operate fleets of vehicles that require regular cleaning. Securing contracts with businesses, schools, hotels, or government institutions can provide stable and predictable income. Although obtaining such contracts may take time, they can greatly enhance business growth. Marketing plays a major role in attracting customers. Even the best car wash business can struggle if potential customers are unaware of its existence. Entrepreneurs should invest in attractive signage that clearly communicates available services and prices. A clean and professional appearance can encourage motorists to stop and try the service. Social media platforms provide affordable marketing opportunities. Creating business pages on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp can help reach local customers. Sharing photos and videos of completed work builds credibility and showcases service quality. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave online reviews can further strengthen the business reputation. Promotional offers can also attract new customers. For example, discounts during the opening period or loyalty programs that reward repeat customers may increase customer retention. Simple strategies such as offering every 10th wash free can encourage regular visits. Financial discipline is essential for long-term success. Business owners should maintain proper records of income and expenses. Keeping accurate records helps identify profitable services, control costs, and make informed decisions. Many small businesses fail because owners mix personal and business finances. Separating these finances improves accountability and promotes sustainable growth. Entrepreneurs should also set aside funds for equipment maintenance and future expansion. Machines such as pressure washers and vacuum cleaners require regular servicing. Neglecting maintenance can lead to frequent breakdowns and lost business opportunities. Like any business, car wash operations face challenges. Water shortages, rising utility costs, competition, and economic downturns can affect profitability. However, entrepreneurs who remain adaptable and customer-focused often overcome these challenges successfully. Continuous improvement, innovation, and commitment to excellence are key ingredients for success. A car wash business may begin as a small roadside operation, but with patience and dedication, it can grow into a thriving enterprise employing many people. Numerous successful entrepreneurs in Kenya started with limited resources and gradually expanded their operations through hard work and prudent financial management. For aspiring entrepreneurs looking for a low-capital business opportunity, starting a car wash business remains one of the most practical options in Kenya. With proper planning, strategic location, quality service, and effective marketing, the business can provide reliable income and long-term growth. The journey may not always be easy, but those who remain committed often discover that the rewards are well worth the effort.